Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain the social practice paper 1 because in April 1st week we conducted the SA1 and the summative assessment 1. So on this purpose I explain today I give the social practice paper 1. I explain one by one. First main, there are 7 mains in this question paper, in this practice question paper. First main, multiple choice questions. So the founder of Delhi Sultan was, there are 4 options are given, you take any the correct answer. The 4 options are Babur, Iltutmish, Qutbuddin Aibak, Razia. The correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Understood? Second one, Vishishtadvaita philosophy was propagated by Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya, Basavanna. The correct answer is Ramanujacharya. Understood? Next, third one, Krishna Devaraya belongs to dash dynasty. Krishna Devaraya belongs to dash dynasty. So there are 4 options are given: Sangama, Tuluva, Saluva, Aravidu. The correct answer is Tuluva dynasty. Krishna Devaraya belongs to Tuluva dynasty. Next, fourth one is the Muhammad Gawan established the madrasa at dash. The 4 options are Bijapura, Bidar, Hampi, Gulbarga. The correct answer is Bidar. So fifth one, the chief architect of Indian Constitution was, 4 options, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Understood? So once again I revise the multiple choice questions. The founder of Delhi Sultan was Qutbuddin Aibak. Vishishtadvaita philosophy was propagated by Ramanujacharya. Krishna Devaraya belongs to Tuluva dynasty. Muhammad Gawan established Bidar. The chief architect of Indian Constitution was B.R. Ambedkar. Understood? Next main is fill in the blanks. So there are 5 fill in the blanks are given. First one is census takes place once in dash years in India. How many years? 10 years. The correct answer is you fill 10. Understood? Census takes place once in 10 years in India. Second one, the birthplace of Jesus Christ is dash. What is the correct answer? Bethlehem. The birthplace of Jesus Christ is Bethlehem. Next, third one, the famous Sultan of Khilji dynasty was dash. Alauddin Khilji. The famous Sultan of Khilji dynasty was Alauddin Khilji is correct answer. Shankara was born at dash in Kerala. Kaladi in Kerala. The correct answer is Kaladi. K-A-L-A-D-I. Fifth one, Madhura Vijaya was written by dash Ganga Devi. G-A-N-G-A-D-E-V-E. Ganga Devi is correct answer. Sixth one, the directive principles of the state policy are borrowed from Constitution dash Irish. The directive principles of state policy are borrowed from Irish. Understood? So once again I repeat the fill in the blanks. Census takes place once in 10 years in India. The birthplace of Jesus Christ is Bethlehem. The famous Sultan of Khilji dynasty was Alauddin Khilji. Shankara was born at Kaladi in Kerala. Madhura Vijaya was written by Ganga Devi. The right directive principles of state policy are borrowed by the Constitution Irish. Next main is match the following. So the children, there are 2 columns are given. First A column and B column. You with a link the 5 options 5 words are given in A column. You match the second column B. Understood? Linganamakki Dam. It is in Sharavati. Ganga Gaganachukki Barachukki Kaveri River. Vani Vilasa Sagar Mari Kaname. Nagazhari is a Kali river. Pennar, it is a river. Understood? Linganamak, once again I repeat, Linganamakki Dam, Sharavati, Gaganachukki Barachukki, Kaveri river, Vani Vilasa, Mari Kaname, Nagazhari, it is a Kali river. Pennar, it is a river. Understood? So these are all the correct answers. Next main, answer the following. So name the important rivers of Karnataka. There are 8 questions are given, the answers. Name the important rivers of Karnataka: Kaveri, Krishna, Pennar, Palar, Sharavati, Kali, etc. So these are all the important rivers of Karnataka. Next, what is meant by irrigation? What is meant by irrigation? The artificial supply water for agriculture is called irrigation. And what are the important soils of India? Red soil, black soil, laterite soil, coastal alluvial soil are the important soils of Karnataka. Name which are the important hills in southern Maidan. Chamundi Hill, Biligiri Rangana Hill, Adi Chinchanagiri Hill, Skandagiri Hill are the important hills. Name the important neighboring countries of Karnataka: Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa. Understood? Next, name the important families. Name the important family. Types of families: matriarchal family, patriarchal family, modern nuclear family, and joint family. Understood? Which are the important types of families? Matriarchal family, patriarchal family, modern nuclear family, and joint family. Next, 7th one. When was our constitution come into force? 26 January 1950s. Correct answer. Next, 8th one. Name the important dynasties of Vijayanagara kingdom: Sangama dynasty, Salva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, Aravidu dynasty. So these are all the important dynasties of Vijayanagara kingdom. Understood? Next, what is Hijra? What are the teachings of Islam? The Muhammad Paigambar traveled from Mecca to Medina when he became aware of this in CE 622. This incident is known as Hijra. Understood? The Muhammad Paigambar traveled from Mecca to Medina when he became aware of this CE 622. This incident is known as Hijra. The teachings of Islam: God is one. A simple prayer is enough to win the heart of the God. Second one should lead a honest and principled life and should keep away from all the bad habits. Understood? Third one should have respect for women and compassion for the women and compassion for the poor and weak. Understood? So this is the answer. Next, second one. What are the administrative reforms implemented by the Alauddin Khilji? What are the important administrative achievements by Alauddin Khilji? So I give the answer in your classwork, children. So you must open your classwork and read. Understood? What are the administrative achievements of Alauddin Khilji? So Alauddin Khilji was the famous ruler of Khilji dynasty, and also he was the famous ruler of Delhi Sultanates. Understood? So next, who established the Anubhava Mantapa? What were its objective? Who established the Anubhava Mantapa? Who established the Anubhava Mantapa? It was established by Basavanna. Why did he establish the Anubhava Mantapa? You know the answer. Basaveshwara started the spiritual center called Anubhava Mantapa at Basava Kalyana, present Bidar. Here the Sharanas, including Basaveshwara and others, engaged in meaningful discussion on various socio-cultural issues like gender discrimination, caste system. So they are discussing the shortcomings of religions and were suggested remedies to these issues. Spiritual discussion were also held regularly. So these are so on this way, the Basavanna established this Anubhava Mantapa. Next question. Explain the silent features of Indian Constitution. So what are the important silent features of Indian Constitution? This also in your classwork. Open your classwork and learn what are the important features of our Constitution. What are the important features of our Constitution? The first one is our Constitution is lengthy. What is the first one? We are the sovereign, the written and lengthy Constitution, partial, flexible and partial rigid Constitution, parliamentary form of Constitution, and republic system, federal system, fundamental rights and fundamental duties, directive principles of the state policy. So and independent centralized judicial system, single citizenship, adult franchise, bicameral legislature, party system. So these are all the important silent features of our constitution. What are the silent features of our constitution? Written and lengthy constitution, partially flexible and partially rigid constitution, parliamentary form of constitution, republican constitution, federal constitution, fundamental rights, fundamental duties and directive principles, single citizenship, adult franchise and bicameral legislature, party system. So these are all the important features of our constitution. Next one, mention the important physical features of Karnataka and explain any one. Which are the important physical divisions of Karnataka? So in Karnataka's physical divisions are, first one, so the Karnataka physical division, the coastal plain, the Malnad region and Maidan region. So today I explain about the Malnad region. The western Ghats in our state are referred to as the Malnads or the land of hills. They are also called the Sahyadri. Malnad runs parallel to the coastline from north to south. They have steep terrace-like slope in the west and gentle called Ghats. They are 60 feet in length and 50 to 70 kilometers in width. The height range from 9 to 1000 meters from sea level. These hills obstruct the rain-bearing winds from the Arabian Sea and cause heavy rain after more than 200 centimeters. The highest peaks in this region are Mullayanagiri, Kudremukha and Kallatagiri. So the route from eastern plain Karnataka or coastal plains are there are two important passes are there: Charmudi Ghat, Shiradi Ghat, Agumbe Ghat and Ulikal Ghats. So these are all the importance of Malnad region. Next main is draw the Indian map and locate the extent of Vijayanagara kingdom and their capital. So all of you open your textbook Vijayanagara lesson. There is one of the map is given 32 page number Vijayanagara Empire. You practice that map, understood? That is the kingdom of the extent of Vijayanagara kingdom, and capital, you mentioned the capital where it is situated, Hampi, understood? So these are all the important things we learn in question paper, understood? So I think once again you read this all 2 or 3 times and practice in rough note, then you are easy to write the test or exam, understood? I think all of you understand about this lesson. In next class I will continue. Till now, take care, goodbye.